Hey guys, Pranava here, and today I'll be showing you what a tiling window manager is. People who are familiar with Linux would already know about this, but for the macOS and Windows people who are new to this concept, this is a starter video for you guys. A tiling window manager basically takes up the entire screen real estate for all the programs that are already open. As you can see here, this is one of the setups that I have made for myself. It is fully customized. As you can see on the top, you have a top bar which has various different information, the Wi-Fi connectivity, time, and you have the volume control, which I've written separate scripts to. You have the Bluetooth control, there's the battery indicator, and so on. You can also see two numbers here. These are workspaces, which I'll come to in a bit. In order to launch an application, you have a launcher application. In this case, I'm using ROFI, ROFI, and you can launch any application by hitting the mod key and space. This opens up the launcher, and then you just have to type it. So let's say I have to open Spotify. I open Spotify here, and it takes up the entire screen space. Now if I have to open a file explorer, I have a separate mod key set for it. That is mod plus E for explorer, and it opens up the explorer by splitting the screen in half. If I have to open a browser, I can also do the same here, and that splits this in half. And this is dynamic tiling, which is another concept within tiling window managers. There is manual tiling and dynamic tiling. This on its own might not seem like much, but paired with workspaces, it's really powerful. Let's just open a browser here on the first workspace. I'll navigate to the 7th workspace by hitting mod and 7. I'll open Spotify here, and on the second workspace, let me open an explorer. Let me open another explorer because I have to move files from one folder to another. Let's say from music to videos or videos to music, anything, I can do so. And then on a third workspace, let me have a browser again, which has ChatGPT open. So there are two different workspaces. I can be doing YouTube here. In order to switch between these workspaces, all I have to do is directly hit the workspace in which this program is already open. So mod 7 opens Spotify, mod 2 opens the two explorers, mod 3 opens ChatGPT, mod 1 is back to my YouTube. Now you're getting the idea of how productive it can be. So the more you use a tiling window manager, it becomes muscle memory and you forget the system exists. And this can get you into flow. You are so in tune with your system that you don't have any other distractions. This is a tiling window manager, and I hope you explore more about it. I'll also make a few more videos on this. Thanks.